শুরু করুন।
হ্যাঁ, FM generation using varactor diode and VCO. Two topics will be discussed. One is the FM generation using varactor diode, another is the VCO. What is the varactor diode? This is the symbol of varactor diode. This is a symbol of varactor diode. And
স্যার
varactor diode means the variable capacitance. When you apply the modulating signal here, this is the modulating signal. You apply modulating signal here, the capacitance of this vary. According to the this capacitance. Okay, wait. This is the varactor diode. Varactor diode connected in reverse bias. In the cathode side, we connected the modulating signal. When the modulating signal voltage vary, this capacitor is vary. Here is an inductor, and this is a crystal oscillator, and the frequency is, we all know, 1/2 pi root over of LC. 1/2 pi root over of LC. 1/2 pi root over of LC. L into C. And if C vary in accordance to the modulating signal, then the capacity, this frequency vary. That is the actually frequency modulation. What is the frequency modulation? Frequency modulation means the frequency of the carrier is varied in accordance to the message signal. That is happening here. Here you are applying modulating signal. This modulating signal is connected to a variable capacitor or the VARICAP or the varactor diode, and this C is varying, and this C is connected to a inductor, and this circuit is called the resonance circuit, L and C. So here is the frequency 1/2 pi root over of LC. C is varying according to the message signal. So the frequency of the carrier is varied in accordance to the message signal. That is actually the generation of frequency modulation using varactor diode. Clear? Here is the message signal. According to message signal, this capacitor vary. This L is fixed, and the frequency is 1/2 pi root over of L into C. This is the value of L, and this is the C. C changing according to the message. So the frequency of carrier is changing according to the message. That is the frequency modulation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next one topic is the VCO. The FM generation using VCO. Name implies VCO. That means voltage control oscillator. If you apply voltage, suppose apply 1 volt, frequency will be 1 kilohertz. If 2 volt, 2 kilohertz. So if you apply a sine wave where the voltage is varying, then the frequency of here frequency is also varying. That is also a frequency modulated signal. In voltage control oscillator, if voltage, input voltage changes, output frequency changes. Input voltage is varying, output frequency is also varying. That is the frequency modulation. Frequency modulation means the frequency of the carrier changes in accordance to the message signal. Here message signal is that input voltage. If input voltage changes, this frequency changes. In frequency modulation, the frequency changes in accordance to the message signal. That is the funda of the VCO, FM generation using VCO.